Hello there, very good morning to you. Varying fortunes for our weather throughout this second half of the weekend. We do have high pressure close by. It's sort of circling us from the northwest and south to keep some of us fairly settled, but it's trapping this area of low pressure over towards the North Sea. And with those occluded fronts, it means there's the continuing chance of showery outbreaks of rain for southern Scotland and northern England throughout this morning and even into the afternoon as well. Fairly damp and drizzly to come here. Cloudy still for northeastern areas of Scotland, but the cloud is slowly burning back, so western central districts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and even the far south of England and Wales should hopefully see some sunny spells and a little bit more in the way of brightness compared to what we have seen on Saturday. And in that sunshine, temperatures will be responding up towards highs of 20 to 23 degrees Celsius, but still feeling very cool underneath the central slice, 15, 17 degrees Celsius at best, where you are underneath that cloud and still with a bit of a breeze coming in off the North Sea to make it feel even cooler. Of course, attentions will be quickly turning this evening towards the Euros Grand Final. As we head towards kickoff, hopefully the rain will begin to ease off and many of us should stay largely dry, still with a decent amount of cloud around, particularly across some northern districts. Temperatures holding up around the high teens for most of us, but actually for the players in Berlin will be closer to 22 degrees Celsius as they begin to kick off in the stadium. As I said, that rain and cloud across areas of northern England should hopefully ease its way off, but I can't rule out the odd spot of drizzle still lingering into the evening for any outdoor viewing parties. But many of us will see a dry evening to come with some clear spells around, some mist and fog patches forming where we see the clearest of skies. The clouds still lingering across the far north of Scotland and turning quite misty and murky once again across the Moray Firth districts. Temperatures generally holding up around 11-12 degrees Celsius, fairly academic for this time of the year. Some of you, though, may have started to notice this area of rain beginning to approach from the southwest, and this is all associated with our next area of low pressure that is going to start moving its way in for the new working week. So remaining unsettled over the next few days, really. This will start to bring showery outbreaks of rain. Some of those could be heavy at times with some thunderstorms in the mixture as well, turning breezier as this band of rain begins to move its way in. It's the northern half of the UK that will see the brightest start on Monday, still with some showers developing later on. And again, those could be on the sharp side with a heavy downpour around at times. But I think particularly for northern England, we will see more in the way of sunny spells on Monday compared to what we have seen over the weekend. It should feel a little bit more pleasant overall, particularly because our winds are now coming up from the south. That is dragging in some warmer air, so many of us will be approaching that 20 degrees Celsius mark, pushing towards 21, 22 as a top temperature. But even 18 or 19 degrees Celsius now down those eastern coastal areas that have been so cold and chilly during this weekend. That rain will continue to spread its way northwards as we head into Tuesday, so do stay up to date with the forecast for when you can see that rain eventually reaching your areas. So subscribe to the YouTube channel and we'll see you again here very soon. Bye bye.